A beautiful summer day at the town beach. Chief Labrador and Officer Doberman are keeping everyone safe. There are many little ones here today.
The waves are coming.
This area isn't safe to stand in for long. See that flag? We're playing in the safe area.
Oh, I didn't notice. Oh.
Always check the flag, little turtle. Playing further from the water's edge is safer. Keep an eye on the wave patterns and always stay alert for potential dangers at the beach.
Building sandcastles here is fun too. Oh, Lydia. Papa.
Oh, thank goodness.
It's all right now. I won't go any further.
Welcome, turtles, to our circle of safety.
We're so glad you're here to learn with us.
Let's begin with beach safety rules. Time to go home. Thank you for building your sandcastle in the safe zone. See you next time, little turtle. The safe zone is perfectly clear today. Looks good, Chief. Everyone's playing safe, exactly as we planned.
Playing in designated areas keeps everyone happy and safe.
Remember, safety first. Mission accomplished. Accomplished. As night falls, Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman continue their duty to protect the town.
On a rainy night like this, we need to be careful on every street corner.
We will, officer. Time to proceed, officer. Looks like the rain is picking up. Yes, Sheriff. Stay safe out there.
Are you lost, little one? Don't worry, I'm here to help you.
It's very cold in the rain. Stay close to me. Do you remember where your house is?
The bakery with the yellow lights.
We'll handle this, little one. Right, Sheriff. No worries. Let's go.
I'll keep you dry, little rabbit.
Thanks, Officer Doberman and Sheriff Labrador. The bakery is just ahead. Looks warm and safe. Perfect spot. They'll appreciate the help.
Oh, yay! There it is. My house is nearby. Oh, that's wonderful, little one.
Good. We're here. We're here.
Yeah.
Well, little rabbit, looks like we made it just in time.
So glad you're home safe. Oh, little rabbit, we were so worried. Thank you, Sheriff Labrador. Thank you, Officer Doberman.
Next time you get lost, stand still and ask the police for help.
Always remember that, little rabbit.
Rabbit, yes.
I remember.
The town supermarket is so lively today. Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman are on duty maintaining order. Stop, little one. It's not safe to ride that cart so fast in here. Pushing the cart fast in the supermarket isn't safe. Do you see how high the shelves are? It would be very dangerous if they fell.
I didn't know.
Walk slowly, keep your hands on the cart, and stay close to your parents.
Keep your eyes ahead and push slowly and steadily.
Excellent precision, Officer Doberman. Remember to maintain a straight path.
Yes. I will walk slowly. Mom, Dad,
Oh dear, are you all right?
we saw what happened. It's okay, we're here. Thank you, officers. I'm sorry. I'll be more careful.
Thank you for apologizing, little monkey. Remember to always hold hands in busy places.
I like this one, Daddy.
Good choice, son.
Let's keep walking nicely, dear.
Another job well done, officer. Indeed, Sheriff. Stay safe, everyone. Just pay attention and follow the rules, and shopping will always be fun and safe. Remember, order makes everyone happy. Mission accomplished.
Today, Sheriff Labrador and Sheriff Papillon came to the farm to make sure everything is safe.
The farm is so big.
I want to see what's inside. This area is for adults only.
That's right. The grown-ups need to work here. There are many sharp and heavy objects in the shed. It's very dangerous. Come here, little one.
Oh, I didn't know.
That's okay, little one. We can help you understand.
It's safer for us to play in this area. There's delicious grass here too.
That's great. Thank you for reminding my child.
I won't run away on my own again.
Gad! Good job, little friend. That's the correct way to cross the street. They're safe now.
Yeah.
Yes, another mission accomplished.
Playing is fun, especially when we are safe inside the enclosure. Great job, little one. Everywhere, playing in the right place is always safe.
Hi. Remember to listen to the adults.